Hello there from Bug Eye Guys, car 501, the first production Bug Eye Sprite. Triplex, stamp 1958, all kinds of cool stuff coming together. One of the things I just wanted to show you, we got about a week and a half to go before Concours judging, and we're just putting the finishing touches on. And this is a very rare thing to see right here, and I thought I'd share it with you. This is the first series windshield with its top on, and it's an original correct one on top of it. We sell new ones of these, but the big killer is they don't have this tan backing. Can you believe it? That little subtlety is, this is an original top, and that subtlety is what the judging is based on. There's a million of those subtleties all built into this car. You're looking at the sort of sum total of all those subtleties, but that's a bunch of points that we wanted to make sure we could get, and we were lucky enough to find an original 9-stud top, and that is just about one of the most rare pieces in Sprite world. And this one's in nice shape too. Remember, in this Concours judging that we're doing with this particular car, everything has to be original. That's half of the points, and then there's condition points on top of that. So if, for argument's sake, we had a crappy rear window, we would lose points for condition, but this one is actually in really nice shape. So we're in luck, and this will help us with our Concours goal, but it will also help keep these original pieces where they belong. The #1 car deserves to have perhaps the last surviving 9-stud white backing material original top in the universe. So yeah, there you go. Anyway, the 9-stud top, remember the later windshields just had 1 stud out on the end and a bar mount that went inside a slot. The early cars, about 5477 if I remember correctly, had the snap setup. And the reason they did away with it was obviously water would go up in here and run into the car. That was problem 1. And problem 2, these were thinner windshields, so they're easier to break. So the new design at roughly car 5500 had a more stout frame and a better sealing top. The other thing that's really cool that we've got here is the first 1600 cars had no snap here. And that was a kind of a dumb thing that they did, because in order to open the door, you had to reach in to get to the door latch, which is all the way over here. And you can do it. You might even have to unsnap 2 of them to get there. But the later cars, they figured out that was kind of silly, so they put a snap right here. And so from car 1600, which is about the 1100th car, remember they started at 501, they had a snap here so that you could open the door or pay a toll for that matter, or wave at a friend. But right now, if you had the side curtain on, you were sort of stuck in there, which is kind of one of those weird anomalies of the early cars. So we've got that correct as well. 1600, they went to a snap, and then at about 5400, you could get the sliding plexi windows. So these are the original type, and at 5400, you could get either type. We also this week have the painted gas tap finish. The original cars all came with a color match gas tap, and that's a nice look. So we're getting close to completion here with car 501 here. Thanks for watching at Bug Eye Guys.